Good day, everyone. This is 3:40 p.m. Eastern Time, the 2nd of February, and today is Thursday. We have to have the CFTC disclaimer here, and let's go ahead and try to wrap up what happened today. This is an amazing day, very good day. A lot of news coming out, and the news make that market moves. That's very nice. Today on the CL, 4 out of 4 hit the target. On the left upper corner, we have the A scalper 1 minute. And then the second row, we have the A scalper 150 ticks and the B scalper on the third. And the last one is the B scalper 1 minute. The CL did very well and hit the targets immediately today. It was really running smoothly. And then we have the 4 out of 4 on the CL hit the target. On the ES, we have 3 out of 4 hit the target. The problem is we were doing good on the ES, and then we had almost hitting the target, and then we had to lose in trade. And then now we are going back and climbing again, and that welcome to trading. On the NASDAQ, 4 out of 4 hit the target. A scalper, B scalper, 1 minute, 150 ticks, hit the target. And this is really funny, is the YM. If we look at the YM, out of 4, we only have 1 hit the target. And the reason is, you can see on the YM, on the 1 minute B scalper didn't hit the target. And it is really struggling on the 150 ticks, and then is really struggling on the 1 minute, which indicate for us that this market is not given any today. And welcome to trading. This is gonna happen on any market. You have some days where the market is not willing to give anything, and the YM does not mean there is something wrong with your auto trade. There is something that the movement on that market, it is not working well with your strategy for today. However, we use on the video the 1 minute 150 ticks, but if you take the YM on 233 ticks, do very good job, or on a 2 minutes can do much better job. But we've been for the last 3 years using 1 minute 150 ticks, and I don't like the idea changing time frame today 1 minute and tomorrow 233 ticks. So we stay in on those time frame no matter what the results are. And then we have the 30-year Treasury bond, 4 out of 4 hit the target, which yesterday it was weakness in the 30-year Treasury bond, and today is doing very fine. On the swing auto trade, here for the swing auto trade, you see on the market analyzer on the left middle of the screen here, we just have an entry on the ES. We are up 6 ticks. NASDAQ, we are in the trade in the NASDAQ, and here is today the NASDAQ was playing beautifully, and like the YM, and you can see here the R5, R7, those are not repaint indicators where identify there is a reversal, and you have the R6 here is a reversal. The higher the number is, the stronger that reversal is. And then we have the fib reversal right there at 51.29, right in line almost. And we have this entry at 39.25. This is a fully automated swing trading. The beauty about that also, where if you notice some of the bars there is a star, and some of the bars there is nothing. And when you are trading, that makes really comfort to the trader. If you notice, like this gap here, there is no stars. We added this stars because that star is measuring those 60 indicator in that area here, and then you have a signal from the next generation automated trade, and then we have right now a double projection numbers here. And with the start, that can, once you understand how the system is not hard, but to understand how the things working, you will understand right now, because of the timing, it can be rejected at 44.25, and if there is a trend, we will be nailing that target at 45.25. And this is where also at the end of the day you will understand, or when you are in trading, you will understand what is your option to take out those trades, because something about the stop loss, it cannot be every time 10 ticks or 15 ticks or 20 ticks. For every situation and for every trade, there is different numbers for the support or the stop loss, whereas your stop loss is going to be behind that fib line support or resistance. And if you're not that far from it, then your stop loss should be very small. But you never put the stop loss somewhere out in the open and protect it. Right now we have a very good protection here as an example on a double projection. So if I wanted to take a trade at the support line at 42, then I will put my stop loss right below the projection, and that is a very affordable. And as you see right now, and this is a really something. Okay, and we have the British pound. There is nothing holding that British pound, and it will be hitting also the support, the target at 4.3. And you can see the start, and let's watch it now. We have here those zones cost $35 a month. We have a resistance line at 44.25, and it's nice for you to see how these lines are accurate. And we can see right now there is a buyers and there is a signal that predicting that fib is not gonna hold, look, because of those signals. So whether you are trading the CL or DAX, that makes a lot of difference to understand when this market is gonna cut your fib line like a knife, or is gonna be rejected. Because if there is a weakness in this trade, and then you cannot take the trade at 45.25 and a close position, then we need to close the position at 44.25. When you are trading a big market like the DAX CL, that is gonna make a lot of difference in your trading. And you can see right now the DAX, the NASDAQ. Now we have this little star. That little star is gonna give you pre-indication that you are going straight to that target. And we have the signal here showing you are on the right direction. And if you want to hold your horse a little bit on closing that position, or if you want to override that trade, you will be in a good hand on that one. There is another things where we can see it is the accuracy even on the currency. The farther is the bar away from that line, the stronger the trend is. And we can see right now on the bar, doesn't matter which market you are trading, we can see the bars that were far from that moving average, and that one is a very accurate one. It's not a normal one. And the farther away we are from it, the stronger the trend, and that a very good indication to study the trend. And once you start touching that moving average, that indicate that could be the trend is over. Total here on the market analyzer based on 1 minute, one contract on the market analyzer right now, we are in 94 ticks. on the Forex, we are on a 74 pips. And what is amazing today also is your stocks, your Dow Jones stocks, because they are little, I mean, they are 30, and those are easy to control, to show the traders. A Home Depot, we have 137, and we had an entry at 137. This is a new signal, and the target is 137.26, where you can use those targets also for the second day. And the Cisco, we have entry at 31.16, and target is 25. As you see now, we have a new signal here. That's why the number is low on the Boeing, and that will be fun to watch tomorrow. We have a new signal, short signal on 162.27, and the target, as you see from the market analyzer, the target is 61.99, and this is not bad at all to get 27 ticks out of that one. Let's see what we have. Visa today, we had an entry at 81.82, target is 82.16, and that is really, really, really nice. IBM 174.63, target 174.96. This is a really, really Apple. Long time ago, forget it. But $128. I don't want to trade $128 stock. This is, but anyway, 128.13, and then target is 45. This is a lot of bread to that. Folks, that's all what we have for today. Please be careful. It's nice. The market is moving, and there is a really crisis between the euro and the dollar, and that is an advantage to us. Keep the news, and when more news, despite how we feel about any news, that is gonna make your day nice. And the movement lately on the euro dollar, today we had the euro dollar entry. Look where we had the entry earlier in the European market, and look where is your target. And that is nice when there is a lot of news on in the market, politics, economy. There is a war between dollar and the euro. That's fine. That's what, I mean, make the market move, and that's what makes everybody happy if you know how you take advantage of it. On the euro dollar, we have 41 pips, and this is not bad at all. But I mean, you know, this is, it seems like this year we will be having a lot of movements in the market, and this where it will be nice to take advantage of it. Folks, that's all what we have. God bless you all, and wish you the best for tomorrow. See you all.